So I'm doing the traffic light, and here's all the pieces, and here's the thingy, and yeah.
Go.
So right now I'm soldering on the resistors, and yeah.
Zoom out.
Right now I'm putting, don't get my face in this. Right now I'm putting in the diodes, and there's 21 of them, and they go here and they go here. Okay, so right now I'm soldering in the IC. So yeah. Magic. So I just put in these capacitors right here, and these are also capacitors, but I already put these in, and I'm about to solder them in right now. So I'm soldering in the other capacitors right now. There's only 2 of them. Okay, so right now I'm putting in one of the LEDs for my traffic light, and the shorter wire goes on the top and the longer wire goes on the bottom. Okay. So now I'm soldering on the yellow LED light.
Go.
Alright, so right now I have to solder on this LED backwards, so good times. Yeah, this is not easy. A fun S. Okay, so right now I have pretty much everything in except for this. But before I do everything else, I have to jump this over to another one because I lost the trace.
Professor, what are these?
Okay, so I jumped the wire right here, and I put in the battery, and